If you're someone that doesn't have a lot of money and wants to grow a small account very quickly and safely, or you already have a strategy that isn't working and you want to find a new one, then this video is exactly for you. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please hit that like button. I hope you are enjoying December and I hope you do have a lovely Christmas. Thank you for all the messages, by the way. I am still here, I am doing okay. Just very busy at the minute with trading and home life. But the course is definitely still on its way, and in the new year I want to be doing at least 3 videos a week. Let's get straight into it. For the first indicator down at the bottom, the trend alert, we can see that we have green lines. This indicates that there's an uptrend. Only take buys when it's green and only take sells when it's red. This second indicator here is the RipsterEMA. We'll be using this as our long-term trend bias. So when the lines are in a bluey-greeny colour like this, we'll be looking for long trades. And when they're in a red-orange like this, we'll be looking for sells. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. And then finally, we're using the Chandelier Exit for these buy and sell indicators here. So I'm going to show you exactly how to take a trade. So for a buy trade, the first confirmation we want to see is that the trend alert down here is green. The second indicator, we want to see that the RipsterEMAs here are blue. And finally, we want to see a buy indicator paint. You have to make sure that you wait for this candle to close. That is very important, as this indicator does repaint and we don't want to risk any false entries. So for this strategy, we're using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, but we will be risking 2% of our account to gain 4%. So on this buy indicator, you wait for the candle to close, enter on this candle here. We're going to set our stop loss at a recent swing low, which would be here, ideally between or close to these EMAs, as that is a point of reversal. And then we're going to set our risk to reward ratio to 2, and you can see this trade hit in only just a couple of candles. You can see here that we wouldn't have took this sell as the trend alert is green, which indicate buys, and the EMAs is also telling us that we're in an uptrend as well, so you'd avoid this sell. And then we had a buy indicator paint here, but we wouldn't have took that either because there's no trend alert here and the EMAs were just about to cross. Now you could have took this trade depending on your personal preference. As you can see, the trend alert down here is red. The Chandelier Exit is painting a sell on this candle right here, and the RipsterEMA is showing a red, but it's also showing a blue. For a sell, we want to make sure that we have an orange and red RipsterEMA, so personally I wouldn't have took this trade, even though it would have hit take profit. So we can see if we come down a bit further from that one, we have another sell indicator paint here. The trend alert is red, and the RipsterEMAs are orange and red, so we're safe to enter on this trade. Take a short position on the close of this candle, so on the start of this one, which is right here. Stop loss at the recent swing high. I'm going to pop mine just above these 2 candles here, and then we'll be targeting 2 times the risk. So we can see it took a few candles, got close to a stop loss, and then eventually hit again. You could have also entered again on this sell signal right here, but it's up to you whether you want to double up your trades or not. Personally, I don't. But there you go. So for the settings for these indicators, the trend alert down here is all the same as default. The Chandelier Exit is also default, although I have removed the long stop, the short stop, and the state fill-in down here. And then on the RipsterEMAs, I've kept everything the same besides on style. If you scroll down, you can see I've removed MA Cloud 1, MA Cloud 2, and MA Cloud 3. I'm now going to backtest this 100 times. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. And now let's get straight into the backtesting. So I finally backtested this strategy 100 times. You can see these are the results. We started the account with $100. We used a profit target of 4% and a loss target of 2%. We had a win rate of 65 and a profit gain of 531% over 100 trades. So we took the account all the way from $100 all the way to $631 in just 100 trades. This gives us a profit factor of 3.71, and we had 65 wins and 35 losses. I think this strategy is absolutely amazing. Please definitely go check this out. Personally, I backtested this on the 5-minute time frame on Bitcoin, but you can check this out on any other strategy that you'd like. I really do appreciate all the support and all the kind messages you guys have been sending me. Like I said, the trading course will be coming out soon enough on my personal trading strategy, and I'm also testing out another strategy that I might share with you guys in the future. But if you do want to go full-time trading, then these are some of the best strategies on the internet, and definitely hit subscribe if you consider it. If you hated a 9 to 5 like I did, then definitely get on those charts and get back testing. And remember, don't risk your own money, use a funded account. Thank you again to TraderEdge sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.